Hi, welcome to Austin's Burrito of the Month Club burrito review time. This month's burrito is from El Barrio. Nice slide out of the bag. Nice slide.
Oh yeah.
Napkins on the lap. I wanted to shoot this video in landscape, but I don't have a car dock, so I gotta do it tallways. Snoop Dogg! So first off, they do a good job wrapping the burrito and keeping it warm. I ordered this only 20 minutes ago, and it's really still warm. Now for first bite. It was really important. I mean, the first bite to get a taste for all the condiments and the toppings in the burrito. As you can tell, they do a really good job of mixing together the sauce.
Extreme close up! Whoa!
In the burrito, and making sure everything is separated. Sometimes when you sometimes when you get a burrito, the bad burrito, all the toppings and stuff are separated. Anyway, my favorite part of this carne asada burrito, I'm getting the hiccups, I'm eating too fast, is the Fuego del Barrio, which is their homemade hot sauce. Oh my god, it's so hot because I don't have the AC on up the car. I'm fucked. Another tip about eating burritos is when you take a bite, you want to suck in like a vacuum so you don't drop anything on your lap. Very exciting stuff. I will say this is some of the best steak I've ever had in a burrito. Best buy by El Barrio is that if you order 9 burritos, you get your 10th one free. You just have to get a little card. It's very great. It's on Mass Ave. Sorry, it's on Dot Ave. Alright, that's my awesome burrito review of El Barrio. It's very good. I give it, honestly, like an 8 out of 10. Bye.